Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tarpon fish. First, understand that tarpon is a bony fish, so proper filleting is crucial for an enjoyable meal. Begin by thoroughly scaling the fish. After scaling, carefully remove the dark red lateral line meat from the fillets. This step is important as it significantly reduces the strong, often described as gamey flavor, ensuring a milder and more palatable taste for your dish. Once your tarpon fillets are prepared, several cooking methods yield delicious results. Grilling is a fantastic option. Cook the fillets over medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes per side until flaky. Alternatively, pan-searing with a light breading creates a wonderfully crispy exterior and keeps the interior moist. Baking in foil with herbs and citrus is another excellent way to lock in moisture and flavor, ensuring a tender outcome. To truly elevate the flavor of your tarpon, consider a few enhancements. Marinating the fillets for at least 30 minutes in a citrus-based marinade, such as lemon or lime juice with olive oil, will tenderize the fish and infuse it with bright notes. Fresh herbs like dill, parsley, or cilantro complement the fish beautifully. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice right after cooking also brightens the overall flavor profile. Finally, presenting your cooked tarpon thoughtfully completes the culinary experience. Serve the fish with light, fresh side dishes that won't overpower its delicate flavor, such as a crisp green salad or lightly roasted seasonal vegetables. A simple rice pilaf or quinoa can also provide a balanced and satisfying accompaniment. Garnish your dish with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped fresh herbs for an appealing presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.